is up, guys? Today we are going to be playing some more Fortnite. And if you guys judge this thing here, yeah, I'm in the game right now, but yeah, some reason it's making that loading screen, so I might fix it later and fix the stupid square that I have to worry about. Ouch. So yeah, I mostly might be making all Fortnite videos because and I'm now gonna be playing on the controller here. See that? Because I'm horrible with the buttons on the PC. And yeah, if you guys are wondering what's this background for, yes, I almost forgot to tell you guys, but wait, no, it's because I'm in St. George, Utah, yes, and I'm in a hotel right now, so yeah, I might make another video tomorrow. And yeah, we're just gonna play rounds and see if we're good or not. Do not judge me or anything. Look at some white. There we go. If you guys see better, comment down below. I was about to say subscribe, I was like, that's not right. And yeah, I'm on level 6. You might have recognized back at my house, I was on level 3, so and yeah, so here I am, right here, waiting for everyone, because that's what I always do, so I can find secrets here. Here's the towers. I don't really want to go there because there's so much people. Or should I just worry about the storm? Yeah, I should worry about the storm better than just going random places. Let's just make sure we don't dive into a place before. Yeah. And I might already be in the wrong spot. There we go. Wait, I can probably find a chest. Make sure to always run and jump. No, there's nothing in there. And yeah, comment down below if you think I'm good or not, because I think I'm pretty bad. And yeah. I wanna, wait, is this the wrong side? It might not be, but yeah. And yeah, I know I might be going crazy right now. Okay, success. And comment down below, what's your favorite weapon in Fortnite? I think mine is the legendary scar, or the pump, or the new shotgun. Yeah. Oh, everybody isn't tilted, bro. The fight's already happening. Just go here. Yes. 2 salts. I need to get someone with an AR. Okay. Yes, I'm following my friend Bush. And comment down below what's your favorite skin. I'm gonna pretend I'm a bad guy. Okay. Hello. Hello, Fortnite guy. I think you just said hi. I don't really know. And if you guys are wondering how am I making videos, yeah, I finally got on my PC. I'll probably told you that. But yeah, I'm pretty good at editing, so yeah. And I might look like a noob. She almost stole my pistol. Oh! Wait, ice? Okay. Is there anyone up here? Wait, bandages. That's what I needed. But not really right now because... Okay. Or I probably needed that. I don't care. Yes! We're beating them by 1. Only 5 pieces of wood. Okay. Anyway. Up here. Okay. Oh. That's how much I have left? Okay. Is that a bad guy? No. Okay. I'm staying very still. Because, yeah, I'm following this guy. What's wrong with him? I am shooting, but probably just trying to get me. Bro, I'm on your team. Why do you have to do that already? I'm gonna distract him. Yeah, that's right. I was like, ow, ow. Who's up here? Oh no, I should have brought the bandages. Oh. So already built for me. Well, thank you. What? I didn't know it can kill. Oh yeah, let's just say that never happened. Wait, how am I on 24? I don't care. Okay, I forgot about the max time. Let's just try and at least get one kill. Or did someone already get that kill? I need a bolt action sniper. Oh. Who's shooting? That noise sounds so new. He's a scar. Give me that scar. Escape. I'm 3 people. Where is actual people? Like, who are you shooting? Oh. There's more people in the red team. Almost. Yes. Yes. I got someone. Okay. Yes. This is a good meeting. Look how many people need to be. Yes! I eliminated someone! Wait! No! I only got 1 kill! Okay. I'm not gonna watch you. Weird? Teammate! Help! Help! Aw! Are you kidding me? Okay. Oh yes, I'm on level 7. Okay. We're not gonna make it to level 8 today, but yeah. And that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, notification bell so you never miss my Fortnite and Roblox videos. I don't even think I'm making Roblox videos anymore. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah. Bye. Peace. Goodbye, guys.